Moving on, India's banned the use of Chinese faulty kits and has also decided to return them back to the Chinese companies. But Beijing insists that the kits were not handled properly, leading to faulty results. India is not alone. There are dozens of nations around the world who've actually returned the kits and are seeking a refund now from China.
A day after the ICMR cancelled orders to procure rapid antibody test kits from 2 Chinese companies, India has decided to return the faulty kits to China. The centre is also ramping up production of COVID test kits within the country. Rapid antibody test kits are already being manufactured in Haryana's Manesar. These kits can give instant results.
सब चीज़ें एडवांस्ड स्टेज में है। बहुत जल्दी आईसीएमआर की क्लियरेंस होते ही विद इन ए वीक वो सब चीज़ें प्रोडक्शन स्टेज में चली जाएंगी। जैसा कि हमारा टारगेट है कि 31 मई तक हम 1 लाख टेस्ट देश में करना चाहते हैं हर रोज़। उस टारगेट को अचीव करने में भी ये डेवलपमेंट हमें बहुत मदद करेगी।
The deal with Chinese companies was cancelled after the Delhi High Court on Monday unearthed a profiteering scandal. A legal dispute revealed that ICMR was being sold the kits at double the price at 600 rupees per test.
टेंडर देने के बाद जब उन्होंने सप्लाई किया तो उसके बाद जब फील्ड पर उनके बारे में कंप्लेंट आई तो आईसीएमआर ने इमीडिएटली रिएक्ट किया। आप सबकी नॉलेज में है, उसके बेसिस पर रिएक्ट करके उन्होंने उनको कैंसिल भी किया और कोई भी पेमेंट उन ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस को नहीं दिया गया है।
The Chinese kits were also showing wide variation in test results. Beijing, however, is blaming Indian agencies for faulty tests.
India is not buying the Chinese argument. The ICMR has said due to wide range of sensitivity found in the Chinese rapid antibody test kits, they are faulty and that the companies want for and lives on orders have been returned and have been cancelled and that India will not be buying the rapid antibody test kit from these companies anymore.
At a time when testing has become ever so important, the accuracy rate of kits from China is abysmal globally. From Spain to Britain to Turkey to Italy, all have returned the testing kits and are demanding refunds from China. With Milan Sharma, Bureau Report, India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.